In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can install the Amazon Prime Video app on Windows 11. So let's get started. So simply search Amazon Prime Video on your browser. It could be any of your browser that you are using. And then click on this one from www.primevideo.com and you will get into this page. So once you're in this page, click on the three dots on the top right corner. So this is in Microsoft Edge and this is how you need to open the Prime Video website, and then you have to click on apps and click on install this site as an app. Click on install, and now you have successfully installed it. You can also pin to taskbar, pin to start, or create a desktop shortcut. Okay, and that's it. Now if we search for Prime, that will appear Prime Video for Windows. Okay, so that is now an application on your Windows 11. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.